Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best window boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the main Fairfield 3 feet window box. Our pick for the best window box overall is generously sized with convenient self-watering features. The water reservoir holds up to 3 gallons of water, so you can leave on a weekend getaway and not worry about your plants drying out. The aesthetics of the window box are classic and appealing. Made from molded plastic, these window boxes are quite durable. They're weatherproof and have UV inhibitors to protect against fading over time. Keep in mind that you can only mount these window boxes using the brand's included mounting hardware. Moving on, at number 4, we have the classic home and garden Corinthian resin flower pot rectangle planter. Looking for a stylish window box that won't break the bank? This is the best window box for staying within a budget, since it costs less than $15. Created to mimic the look of concrete, this resin and stone dust planter is a lighter weight option that's easier to move around. The two-tone color and thoughtful design work create a beautiful aesthetic that will look wonderful with everything from vegetables to grasses to colorful flowers. The darker border doesn't have precise edging, so it delivers a laid-back, imperfect look which may not suit everyone's taste. It's versatile enough to use inside or outside, and it does have drainage holes as well as a drain plug. At number 3, we have the HC Company's 24-inch deck railing planter box. If your deck railing looks a little bare, consider this plastic window box. It's designed to fit either 2x4-inch or 2x6-inch railings, so installing the window box is a cinch. Just set it on your railing. It includes 4 drainage holes and comes with drain plugs, too, so you can use the box inside if you wish. The plastic material is resistant to fading and cracking, so it will last a while. The design overall is fairly basic, which you'll want to note if you're looking for something more upscale. At number 2, we have the amazing Creation Window Herb Planter Box. Those in cold climates will appreciate this 3-pack of window boxes designed to grow herbs and other small plants, like the low-maintenance philodendron heartleaf. Meant for indoor use, these are self-watering planters made of a lightweight plastic. They make it easy to keep your favorite plants perfectly watered. Simply add water right into the port, located in the corner of each planter box. The water-absorbent strips within the planters help stabilize moisture levels so plants stay hydrated for up to 2 weeks. Though you don't get to choose accent colors, the planters are useful and fit nicely on a windowsill or a table. Plus, you can use these to start seeds indoors, then transfer your plants outdoors when it's warm enough. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gronier plastic window box. These are the best window boxes made of plastic since they offer versatility in terms of mounting and portability. Plastic window boxes are lighter weight than other materials like wood or metal, so they're perfect if you enjoy frequently changing up the look of your outdoor spaces. You can choose to simply set them on a patio table or use them as sidewalk borders to provide visitors a beautiful welcome. You could also make them a more permanent fixture by mounting them to your house, although mounting materials aren't included. Bear in mind that these come with 2 drainage holes, so you may want to add more if you tend to be heavy-handed when watering or have plants that are very sensitive to excess moisture. The set includes 3 window boxes along with 15 labels, so you can easily keep track of what you planted. When you're done growing for the season, just stack the 3 boxes together to save on storage space. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.